how to send USDT from Binance to Bybit. Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. First of all, let's head over and open up the Binance application on our device. Open up the Binance app or website and sign in into your account. Now from here in the app, tap on the wallet tab and go over there and go over the spot and search for USDT and tap on withdraw. Once you find it up, you can tap on send via crypto network, and in the USDT you will be finding the section where you need to enter the address, network, and the withdrawal amount. So you can just go ahead and choose the network TRC20, ERC20, etc. Once you do so, you can basically head over and close the application and head over to Bybit. Once you open up the Bybit app or website and logged in, you can go to the Assets Deposit tab in the bottom right corner. And from here also select the option called USDT, and here you can choose the network you want to use. So from here you can basically copy up the deposit address, and once you copy it up, you can head back to the application, choose the network and say picture, go back to Binance application, and here just go ahead and paste in the address and the network and the amount. And once that is done, you can basically confirm withdraw the amount you will be receiving, confirm it. Yes, so go ahead and tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right corner, and the transaction will appear in Binance history. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will be shown in your Bybit wallet. So if you'd also like to send USDT from Binance to Bybit, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.